Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Deriv. As you know, in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash and step index. So today, if you're watching my channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next I drop my next video. Today I'm going to show you this particular strategy. I've already made a video on it on boom and crash 1000, but I'm making video on it now on crash 500 and boom 500. So how did this particular indicator work in you trading your crash 500 and your boom 500? What you are going to be targeting in everything is the first you are going to identify your main charts at this level. It's giving us a zigzag line here, and when it get to this particular line, it's giving us a straight line here. So these are the places that you are going to be identified, and after this identification you are going to be identified this particular zone, which we have our moving average and the envelope that move below the 15 level and the 0 level, and we are going to be looking up into this particular aspect also, which we have our moving average and envelope, and we have our Ijimoku to reach above 85 to 100 level. It's above 85 to 100 level. That's exactly where we are going to be taking up our trade. So the first thing you have to do is to first adjust the screen of your phone to set it up to the last for you to identify your support and resistance zone. So the first thing you need to identify is to identify that particular zone, identify it on your main chart, then you can easily identify it on your indicator chart. So like this particular trade now that we have currently, one thing that you need to first confirm is the movement of the trade. Move it from the end to the beginning, and check if that particular movement, if it still remain on that particular spot. If it remain on that particular spot, it's giving you a more accurate time that this market is very accurate. So when you are able to confirm this particular level and you see that your Ijimoku go below it first before the moving average respect this level, then you need to confirm this particular entry. Once you confirm this particular entry, then you can enter your market, and the market is going to start rocket on an uptrend. You see, let me show you more of the example. You see, this is the reason why I asked you to adjust your phone settings. You see, you will think maybe this level now is in 85 level, but let me tell you that is a fake trade. If you think you can take that, you see now it's moved down to 50 level. So that particular aspect is not accurate enough for you to take the trade. You see, the same thing happened here. On a downward trend, on a downside also it happened. So you need to look for that particular trade that sits on it from the beginning. You see, like this particular side now, it sits on it from the beginning to the end. So you can surely take up this particular trade. The first thing you need to do is to confirm your Ichimoku that reach above it and before the moving average and the envelope cross it also. And another thing that you need to check out here is to check your what? Is to check your 9 out. You see, it's giving us a 9 sign here, and before you know, you take your trade what? Down on the one on a downward trend. So you see, that is very powerful strategy. So let me on boom 500 before I show you the settings of it. So on boom 500 the same thing happen. You use the same principle on boom 500. The first thing you need to check is to first check if the strategy on the window 1 is very accurate on that level. You see, if it is very accurate on that level, you see, let me show you an example of this. You see, the Chimoku move below the 15 level, and we are having our moving average and the envelope also below that level. So it's giving us a what? A straight line at this particular level in our main chart, and before you see the trade, it keep on what? Spiking up. So you see, so now let me show you the settings of this strategy. So on my main chart, I have the parabolic sacks, which is the step of 0 point. Just screenshot it. I don't want this video to be too long. Screenshot it, then you press on done. Then we have the Bollinger Band there. We have the Bollinger Band in the period of 1, division of 1.000, and we have our shift to be 0. We have applied to the previous indicator data. So you just screenshot it. You can use the same color I use, but anywhere you are seeing me using white color, then you are going to be using black color, because I'm using black as my background here. So we have the indicator window 1, which is the relative strength index. We have the period of 1000. We have the apply to close, and we have our style to be in black color, because that is the color of my background. So if you are using white background, you choose white background here. Then you press undone. We have our envelope. In our envelope, we have our period of 14. We have shift to be 0. We have divisional to be 0.001. We have our method to be linear weight. We have apply to close. Then our upper band and lower band is in white color. So if you are using white background, what you are going to be having as your color is going to be black color. So you press on done. So you press on done. Then you open your, okay, let me show you the relative strength index level. We have the level here. Let me show you. I don't show you the level before. So we have the level of 85, 50, and 15 on the relative strength index. So that is where we bought between 85 to 100 level, and we have our modified sell towards break even. Then we have our buy between 0 to 15 level, which is our 15 level. That you have your done. So let's go to Ichimoku now. We have the Ichimoku. The first 3 Ichimoku is going to be on 10. You have to fill it up, and you have to have your style color in what? In black. So if you are using black background, if you are using white background, what you are going to be having there is going to be white. So the last, it's only the last color here that is not having what? That same color. So that's it. So you press undone. Then let me show you the last one, which is the moving average. We have the period of 10, we have shift to be 0, we have method to be linear weight, we have applied to typical price. You see that, and I have my red as my color. Then you press on done. So that is the settings for this indicator. So you just try this indicator on your demo accounts and before using it on your real account. So if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next I drop my next video. You can also like and comment on this video, share your experience so far using this particular strategy, and you can also join my Telegram group for free signal and for free indicator. Thanks.